In this Jamango video, I'm going to show you how to make some moving NPCs, such as this one, which is Dombot 2000, which as you can see, they move from one point to another point, and then this type of NPC, which just follows you and like dances, or you can make it not dance if you really want to. And yeah, I'm going to show you how to make these. So first off, what you need to do is make some NPCs. To make some NPCs, all you have to do is press E on your keyboard, or you can click the button up there in the top right, and when you click it, this menu should appear, or by default it actually should be this. So from here, what you have to do is click this button, the characters button. So when you click it, at the moment just ignore my two made NPCs. What I'm going to do is just press the new character button, and from here you can set the name of your NPC, make the AI either ally, enemy, or anything, but I'm not going to be touching these for now. All I'm going to do is just name this Domtu version 2 in this case. So, and then you can give it an avatar or anything, but in this case I'm just going to use one of my pre-made avatars, so this one. What I'm going to do now is just press create, and as you can see I made one character. And I'm just going to make another one, so what I'm going to do is just press this again. You don't have to, but just for the tutorial I'm going to show you two methods. And what I'm going to do is, as you can see, they have this yellow background behind them, which means that it's not saved. So to fix that, all you have to do is just press this button right here, save and reload. So yeah, I'm going to do that. And I'm back. So I'm going to quickly go back into this menu, Domtu version 2. What I'm going to do is press this edit button. When you press this, once you press it, just go to the Events tab. So what this does is essentially, whenever you place the NPC, this is going to be the default, code behind it, essentially. So from here, I'm going to show you two methods on how to just make your NPCs more lively instead of just standing still like, a statue. So yeah, the first one I'm going to show you is just a simple NPC that just looks at you and dances. So what I'm going to do is essentially just click this, so add node, and I'm just going to type in set NPC behavior. That's if I can spell. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is connect these two. So as you can see, there's these two red blocks up here, and when you connect them together, you'll essentially connect them. So it's going to create the NPC, and then it's going to set the behavior. But as well as that, we need to connect the NPC, or edit the NPC. So what I'm going to do is just click this and put it into the NPC box like that. And from here, we can set the behavior. So in this case, I want it to look at you. So so whenever you turn around, it's going to face you. So to do that, we just click here and pick look. And if you really want to, you can give it an attachment, but in this case I'm not going to. And if you wanted to, let's say, dance as well, what you have to do is just click here again and just do all you have to do is type animate. And as you can see, character animate pops up. So when I click it, it's going to appear, and I'm going to move it down to here, and I'm going to connect this red execution flow socket. Just connect them both, and connect the NPC as well. From here, I'm going to just make a loop, and I'm going to pick an animation. And as you can see, there's a bunch of animations, but most of these are just like default, walking animations or crouching or stuff. So I'm going to quickly find where the actual emotes are. So as you can see, lower.emotes, I'm going to pick let's say I don't know, the DJ dance. And this is pretty much all set up, so I'm going to just press save. And again, it's going to ask you to reload the world, so just click it again. Yes, reload the world, and yeah. And now, if we go back and find it real quick, so Dom2 version 2, I'm just going to drag into my inventory. And now I'm just going to left click the ground, anywhere where I want to place it. So let's say here. And as you can see, I made an NPC that emotes and follows you, or when turns around and looks at you. And if you really want to let's say change the dance or something, or just change something about it once you place it down, all you have to do is press Q, and you'll get the wrench. And as you can see, it made a block group under it by default. And when you click on it, again, go to the Events tab. As you can see, all the stuff we put into the Events tab is here. So let's say I want to change the emote. After I placed it, after I made it, I just go here and, I don't know, pick them, and I press save and close, and as you can see, it changed the emote. And now I'm going to show you how to make something like this where it travels from one point to another point and then backwards. To make this, it's pretty simple, but first off we need to set some positions for the NPC. So to do that, I'm going to do is, and I double press right, or the, right mouse button, and I press left mouse button to open it. And I'm just going to rename this to NPC position 1. And this will be the first position, and the second position I'm going to do here, for example. I open this up and I change this, so NPC position 2. And again, I'm going to make a new NPC. Actually, I already made it. I'm just gonna edit it. So again, press the NPC, press the edit button, press events. I'm gonna make a set NPC behavior. So I'm gonna type that in, set NPC behavior, connect these, and now we're gonna have to specify some positions. So as you can see, you can set 3 positions, but in this case, I'm just gonna use position A and position B. The way to get the position of our, block groups is by simply adding a node. So I'm just gonna click search up center, and as you can see, this pops up. And what we're gonna do is make 2 of these. So the first one here, and I'm gonna just clone this by right-clicking the node, pressing clone node, and here. I'm gonna change this real quick to NPC position 1, and the other one to NPC position 2. And I'm just gonna connect these, just like that. And I'm gonna set the behavior to move to, and that will be it. And just for fun, I'm just gonna give it a bazooka, but it's not gonna do anything with it because you have to specify for it to shoot at you, which you can just do by setting the behavior here to attack. But for now, I just don't want to. And there we go. Now I press save, and again, it's gonna ask me to reload, so I just press save and reload. And now I quickly put it into my inventory, so Domtu version 3, and I can just place it down wherever I want. So I'll just place it down like here. As you can see, it's gonna move towards these position nodes, so towards these position block groups. As you can see, now it's just gonna infinitely loop like this. And again, just like I said before, if you want to change, your position after you make the NPC, you just simply left-click the block node, or the block group, and press events, and then from here you can just change the position. As well as that, you don't have to only use this. If you really want to, you can set a vector-free value. So the way to do that is just go down to here, press here, and you can just send your own vector-free value. To find the vector-free value of where you want to put it, all you have to do is just press H, go to settings, scroll down to enable player contextual information, enable this. As you can see, on the top left of my screen, you'll see some coordinates or positions and rotations. As you can see, at the bottom one, there's hit block position. So whenever I highlight a block like this, it's going to show me the position of it. As you can see, it's changing, and all you have to do is just write this number in, so the X, Y, and Z, into the vector-free literal. So in this case, I'm going to do like this block right here, which is me -70, -1, and 10. So I just go up to here, change the X to -70, -1, and 10. And this is how to do it without, using a block group. So yeah, as you can see now, it's going to go to position 2, and it's going to go to position I specified. So you can see it's moving. It's going to go to it, and then it's going to go backwards. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to show. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you, and yeah, please subscribe, as I'm going to try making more Jamango tutorials, because some people don't really know how to use, the wrench tool and stuff. So thank you for watching, and see ya.